Hello ladies! Today I want to talk with you about bag trends for the upcoming season. In this detailed overview, we'll break down which shapes and textures are going to be at the peak of popularity in the new season. Spacious and functional tote and shopper bags continue to hold their strong position and remain among the top must-have purchases. They no longer look like simple shopping bags, now they are elegant pieces that can be casually folded in half and carried like an oversized clutch. This type of accessory is perfect for those who need to carry a lot throughout the day, from a work tablet to sportswear. Hobo and bucket bags are two silhouettes that have once again taken center stage. The soft, relaxed shape of hobo bags fits perfectly into the effortless chic aesthetic, while bucket bags stand out for their spaciousness and architectural silhouette. Practical, stylish, and versatile, these are exactly the kinds of designs most often seen in recent seasons' collections. Satchels and Doctor bags are another silhouette that has firmly established itself among current trends. Their structured shape, inspired by vintage travel bags, adds elegance to the look while remaining a practical, everyday choice. Today, designers are reinterpreting the classic satchel, offering both minimalist models in the spirit of quiet luxury and more expressive versions with statement hardware and textured leather. Bowling bags continue to gain popularity thanks to their recognizable rounded silhouette and retro mood. Originally designed for carrying bowling balls, they have now become a stylish urban classic, combining spaciousness, practicality, and vintage appeal. In contemporary collections, these styles range from minimalist leather versions to more expressive interpretations with contrasting trims and decorative details. East-West bags have become one of the key accessories of recent seasons. Their elongated horizontal silhouette offers a fresh alternative to classic shapes, adding a sense of modernity and graphic edge to the look. Compact, elegant, and versatile, these styles easily fit into both everyday wardrobes and more evening-oriented outfits, remaining one of the most in-demand trends. Oversized clutches prove that elegance and practicality can go hand in hand. Unlike classic miniature styles, they allow you to carry all the essentials while still maintaining a sleek and refined silhouette. Soft shapes and increased size have made these clutches a versatile accessory that works equally well for both everyday and evening looks. Half-moon bags and saddle bags are united by a soft, fluid silhouette and references to archival designs. The crescent shape feels more modern and minimalist, adding lightness and movement to the look, while saddle bags retain a strong retro character with an emphasis on structure and a recognizable curved flap. Both options remain timeless and easily adapt to different styles, from casual to more refined urban outfits. Flat bags are one of the most recognizable and timeless silhouettes in the world of accessories. Their signature flap adds structure and a sense of completeness to the design, while also making them versatile across different styles, from classic to contemporary minimalism. This model has become a symbol of elegant, everyday dressing and remains a key wardrobe staple, regardless of the season. Top-handle bags are the embodiment of classic elegance and a structured silhouette. Their rigid construction and top handle give the look a sense of composure and refinement, referencing archival aesthetics and the culture of business accessories. Today, these styles easily transition from office wardrobes into everyday wear, remaining a symbol of understated chic and thoughtful style. Box bags or beauty cases are another statement option among structured accessories. Inspired by professional cosmetic cases, they combine sharp geometry, a rigid structure, and utilitarian aesthetics. In their fashion interpretation, however, this type of bag becomes more than just a functional item. It turns into a stylish accent that adds structure and a modern character to the look. Barrel bags feature a soft, cylindrical silhouette. Their shape combines practicality and style. A spacious interior is paired with a clean, minimal design, while their versatility makes them easy to incorporate into both everyday outfits and more considered urban looks. Today, barrel bags have firmly established themselves among key contemporary silhouettes, highlighting the ongoing trend toward comfort and functional aesthetics. Continuous handle construction is a distinctive design technique in which the handle becomes a natural extension of the bag's body, creating a unified, seamless silhouette. This approach makes the accessory appear more architectural and elevated, while still remaining functional and comfortable for everyday use. Travel bags, backpacks, and shoulder bags form the foundation of a functional wardrobe, where comfort becomes a key element of style. Each of these categories serves its own purpose. Travel bags are about spaciousness and versatility for trips. Backpacks are about freedom of movement and practicality, while shoulder bags balance convenience with everyday elegance. Together, they reflect a modern approach to accessories, where aesthetics and functionality go hand in hand. Fur bags become a noticeable accent in the cold season, adding texture and expressiveness to the look. Their soft, tactile finish creates a sense of comfort and light extravagance, turning the accessory into a key stylistic statement. These designs balance playfulness with bold fashion expression, offering an impactful way to diversify a winter wardrobe. Mini bags, clutches, and belt bags are united by the idea of mobility and statement-driven functionality. Mini formats work as an ornament to the look, adding lightness and a play of proportions. Clutches remain a symbol of evening elegance, while belt bags bring back the trend for hand-free style and utilitarian aesthetics. Together, these accessories reflect a modern approach to fashion, where size does not determine expressiveness. Evening and unconventional bags become the final touch of the look, where the accessory takes center stage. Decorative shapes, unexpected materials, and statement details turn them into a standalone style element rather than just a functional addition. These designs create mood, add drama, and emphasize individuality, especially for evening and more creative outings. I hope I've covered all the key bag styles for the upcoming season. And you can always watch the shows by the designers mentioned above on my channel. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give a like, and stay unforgettable.